What are cohabitation agreements and marriage contracts, and do I need one? Cohabitation agreements and marriage contracts are types of contracts or agreements that are allowed under the PEI Family Law Act, where spouses can outline their rights and responsibilities around debt, property division, and spousal support. A cohabitation agreement is for common law spouses or spouses who aren't married. A marriage contract, or commonly known as a prenup, is for spouses who are married or looking to get married. You can write one before or during your relationship, and like any legal document, it needs to be written down, dated, signed by both parties in front of a witness, and signed by the witness. And of course, it's best that you get legal advice before signing any legal document. Both marriage contracts and cohabitation agreements can include information about your current property ownership, assets and debts, a plan for dividing property if you separate, and your agreements around supporting each other financially, so spousal support. It can also include information about child support if you separate and how you want to raise your children, like their education or moral upbringing. But it can't include information about parenting time or decision making responsibility. One difference between cohabitation agreements and marriage contracts is that marriage contracts can't limit a spouse's interest or right in the family home. Marriage has an equal division of property rule, which protects the spouse's interest in the family home. But in a common law relationship, usually the person whose name is on the deed is the only person entitled to the home. If common law spouses create a cohabitation agreement and then they get married, their cohabitation agreement is then considered to be their marriage contract or prenup, so you might want to get legal advice to update it before getting married. When spouses break up, their cohabitation agreement or marriage contract is then considered to be the basis of their separation agreement. You can find more information about these agreements on the Family Law page on our website. Thank you for joining me for this Family Law Friday series. This will be the last video of this series for now. And as always, if you have any questions, you can reach out to our Legal Navigators, and their contact info is in the caption.